Let's read this word cook and broom. What's the common between these words? Double O. Yes, double O making two different sound. In cook, it's a short O, and in broom, it's a long O. How to understand this? Let's see. Short and long O. The short sound of double O, that is oo. Word sounds oo often before letter D and K. Here we have few words: would, good, hood, stood. You can notice here all these words are ending with letter D. So it's give us short sound. Here we have a few words: book, cook, look, took, hook, brook, shook and crook. Here you can notice all these words are ending with letter K. So it's give us short sound. And here we have other words: foot, soot, wool and poor. Long oo. Words sound long often before letter L, M and N or ending with double O. Here we have a few words. You can notice here all these words are ending with L. K, oo, L. Cool. F, oo, L. Fool. T, oo, L. Tool. P, oo, L. Pool. St, oo, L. Stool. Sk, oo, L. School. All these words are ending with letter L. So it's give us long sound. Here we have few words which are ending with letter M. So it's give us long sound. B, oo, boom. Z, oo, zoom. R, oo, room. B, l, oo, bloom. B, r, oo, broom. G, r, oo, groom. All these words are ending with letter M. And so it's give us long sound. Here we have a few words which are ending with letter N. So it's give us long sound. Oo, moon. And it is moon, not moon. T, oo, tune. Oo, noon. S, oo, soon. Sp, oo, spoon. B, a, l, oo, it's balloon. All these words are ending with double O. Whenever the word ending with double O, it's give us long sound. Z, oo, zoo. It's a zoo, not zoo. Zoo. T, oo, two. Oo, moo. I, g, l, oo, igloo. Sh, a, p, oo, shampoo. And here we have some words which are not following the rules. That is ood, mood. You can notice here this mood word is ending with D, but it's give us long sound. Ood, food. Boot, boot. Oot, tooth. Oof, roof. Sk, oop, scoop. Oof, proof. All these words are giving us long sound of double O. So what we have noticed today, double O has two sound, short and long. Short sound it's U. What sounds U often before D and K? And long oo. What sound long oo often before L, M and N or ending double O? Hope this video is helpful to you. You can make this kind of flashcard and ask them to read. Here we have broom. Broom is ending with letter M and letter M. So it's give us here double O, long sound. So how can we read this word? B, r, oo, broom. Stood. Stood is ending with letter D. And what sound? Short oo, often before D and K. So it's short sound. St, oo, d. Stood. It's not stood. It's stood. Cook. This word is ending with letter K. So it's give us short sound. K, oo, k, cook. Cool. This word is ending with L. And so it's give us long sound of double O. K, oo, L. Cool. Now your turn. Tell me, these both word has short oo sound or long oo sound? Share your comment.